Same-day crowns are a convenient solution to restore damaged teeth and can be done in a single appointment. If you have cracked, fractured, or broken teeth, a crown may be needed. Same-day crowns are durable and can last many years. Crowns are common after a root canal to help restore a tooth's functionality. The crown covers the tooth and blends nicely with your natural teeth. Most patients are great candidates for same-day crowns. Our detailed examination can determine if this restoration is right for you. During the crown procedure, the area is numbed using local anesthetic. The tooth is filed down gently to prepare for the crown. Digital impressions of your teeth and gums are taken, and the crown is milled right in our office. The crown is then placed and adjusted. If you are interested in finding out more about same-day crowns, call our office to schedule your appointment and our team can assist you.